Hi guys, today I want to show you two perfect outfits for Integrity Toys, and this outfit is suitable for Barbie dolls, Mizzy dolls, and some other dolls in scale 1 to 6. So let's start. The first one is ready, and next. And Jasper is ready to look at them. They are beautiful. And which one is your favorite, black or white? Write your opinion in the comment. It's very interesting to know it. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.